everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. I hardly ever do Dollar Tree hauls anymore because I have learned that I don't need certain items. I mean, I pretty much have saved a lot of money because there was a while there I was just buying stuff for a video and I'm just like, why the heck do I still have it? It just sits in the bag all the time. But I've been begging my husband if we could please go to the Dollar Tree. He's like, weren't you just at the Dollar Tree? And I'm like, yeah, the day I went into labor was the last time I went to the Dollar Tree, and that was like over 3 weeks ago because I'm like, I really wanted to go to get a card there, and we just went there to get a card and a snack, and that was pretty much the last time I was there. So I'm like, can we please go? He's like, no. And then like today he's like, yeah, I guess. I'm like, we have to get your father a Father's Day card. But I hit the jackpot on a lot of stuff. I still watch people's Dollar Tree hauls, but there's just like, it gives me that thrill, but there's times where I'm just like, oh, I wish I had that, I wish I had that. But I went in not even thinking. I just went in for one item and I ended up getting 30 items. So Graham grabbed some stuff, I grabbed some stuff, and Benjamin grabbed some stuff. So what he's going to share with you guys is one thing I was super excited to find.
Num-nums.
We're num-nums. He really likes blind bags.
And I can show you to open it.
Yeah. He really likes blind bags, and these were just sitting up at the register. I have no idea what it is. It just says it's lip gloss. I don't know.
I will show you to do
okay.
it.
So we got 5 of these. We are going to a birthday party tomorrow, so I thought...
Yeah, I'll do my best friend party.
He's going to a friend's party, and she likes watching those num-num video, or she likes watching blind bag videos. So I thought these are perfect for her. We did get some other stuff for her, but I thought these were perfect for her. She's turning, I think she's turning 6 or 7. But I thought these...
100,000.
Yeah, so these are perfect. So Benjamin asked if he could have one, and I said yes. So pick what one you want to open. That one? Okay, so he's going to open it on camera and show you guys what it... And
I have this bead that you put on my face and now I take
yeah,
that.
Mommy bought that a long time ago. So hurry up and open it so we can show everybody what's in it. Here, let me rip it open. I have no idea what's in these, but...
I know. It's blind bag.
Okay, so inside...
It's a little blind
little blind bag.
And a checklist.
And then there's a checklist, so we're going to open this up. Here, Ben. See what it is.
And I want to see if we can open one more.
No, we're not going to open one more right now. Ooh. That looks cool.
I want to.
It's a little marshmallow.
I want to show you inside.
Hold on, let's show them the marshmallow first. So it's like a little marshmallow. It's like a rubbery material. And then inside...
I want to see. I want to show the kids.
And then inside pops out like a little... I don't even know what this is, but this is a lip gloss. I'm assuming it's... Here, let's see what this one is. Let's see what it is real quick, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the haul. He just really wanted to do this video. It's a marshmallow. It's like marshmallow flavor.
And I'll show you the checklist.
So,
here's checklist.
So all it is just like a little rubbery cover thing. Not the greatest. I would never spend more than $1 for this.
I want to open it and put on my
Go show Daddy. Go show Daddy. Go take this and show Daddy. He wants to see what it looks like. So, yeah, so that was it. I would not spend more than $1 for that. Yep, Daddy will open it for you. But yeah, that thing is kind of a flop. So, yes, have fun with that for $1. But yeah, she'll like it because she's a little kid. She'll like that. Graham ended up picking out some nighttime cough and cold medicine. He's actually tried a couple of their medicines there, and they're actually not that bad. I don't know if this is for kids. Yeah, oh, this is for kids. Children's cold and cough. So,
I want them.
No, you don't have to have it right now. Go show that to Daddy. So, there's that. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, you know, to have these for the birthday party. I was so excited to find this, you guys. I've been seeing people haul these like crazy, and I'm just like, you guys know me and my cereal. I love cereal. So this is a Lucky Charms. Now this is just a regular limited edition. There's nothing different about it. All it is pretty much the green marshmallows and like the pot of gold. So they're just regular Lucky Charms, just with the green marshmallows instead of the colored ones. These do not expire till January 2020. And so yes, I grabbed 3 bags because they're just regular Lucky Charms, and I love me some Lucky Charms, so I had to get that. My store had like 5, so I grabbed 3. But yes, yes, and yes. And they all don't expire until January 2020. I love cheese balls. Yes, cheese balls. So I found some cheese balls. I've never seen cheese balls at the Dollar Tree before. And for $1, I'll say yes. I kind of want to get more snacks and stuff at the Dollar Tree, and I know you guys would like it. I like shopping at the Dollar Tree, especially for food items. I think I'm going to try to push more food items if I know it's cheaper at the Dollar Tree than going somewhere else. But cheese balls, I'm hoping these taste just like the ones I eat all the time. I mean, the ones that I want are like $5-6 for a freaking jug, which is huge. That's a lot. But definitely excited to try some cheese balls. If you guys try these, please let me know. By the time I probably post this video, I already ate them. But yes, and it's a good sized bag. Like, this is 9 ounces, so that's a huge bag for $1. Yeah. We are going to a birthday party tomorrow, so the one reason why I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree is I wanted to get a gift bag. Benjamin picked this one out. I think it's super cute. It's like a rainbow cake. It says "Let's Party." That is super cute, and for $1, I love it. I always get my gift bags at the Dollar Tree because, you know, you can't go wrong with that. But yes, definitely doing that for her. And then the husband found this Shimmer and Shine Shrinky Art Gems and keychains. Now, he thought this would be cool for Ben, and I'm like, you know, it'd be also kind of cool to get for her birthday. So these are ones that you just color and then you shrink them and they turn into like hard plastic. So we got 2 of them, one for Ben to kind of color and for her. Yes, it is girly for Ben, but I don't care. It's a nice art project for him to work on, keep him occupied. So definitely wanted to do that. He also picked out this Shopkins sticker play pack. I think I've gotten this for him before, but there's stickers and stuff for coloring. He likes the Shopkins, which I'm totally cool with. So there is 2 sticker sheets in here and then 12 play pages. So for $1, keeps him occupied. I told Graham to get a Father's Day card for his dad, so he just picked out a Father's Day card, so we got that. I don't really give cards to my stepdad at all, or my dad, but had to get that. Now I was pretty excited to see SpongeBob Band-Aids. Now here you get 20 Band-Aids. Now these don't stick the greatest, which is fine because most of the time kids heal like super fast, but Ben really is into SpongeBob lately, and I'm like, you know, these are great. So these are great for my purse because he's always getting hurt and I always have to have Band-Aids. So I thought, going on with SpongeBob. Now they also had Transformers, and then they also had Hatchimals, and then they had camo Band-Aids, but had to get SpongeBob. Husband saw these. Now this is a Weiss brand. Now we don't get Weiss very often around here. I know they're more over in the New York area, I think, but we never gotten Weiss, and I heard they're a very good popular chip. I have gotten it before with my snack box that I've gotten, the Munch Pack, which I want to do one again soon. But these are called Dipsies. It looks like they're probably like Fritos, but yeah, Dipsy Doodles, and all they are is this wavy corn chip. So I'm like, Graham, go for it. It's $1. Go for it. You can't go wrong for $1. He also grabbed some original super glue for that, and then he also grabbed some Fix All adhesive. So I can't complain when he gets stuff, because I get stuff, so he gets stuff. So it's a win-win situation. He also picked out these Mr. Brownies. Now these are blonde bites, so it looks like it's like a vanilla brownie, and then there's some like chocolate chips in there. There's also other flavors that they have, but whatever. There's for $1. These are great, and there is 5 of them in here, and it's with real Belgian chocolate. So yeah, so there is that. And then the first thing I saw when I walked into the door was the movies. Now you guys know I'm obsessed with movies. I've showed you guys in videos how many movies I have. And I bought a ton of movies because I just love movies. I love movies. We don't have cable. We have Netflix and Amazon and Hulu right now, but I love movies. And right now with me not working, we watch a movie or 2 a day. But one thing I did want to share with you guys is Ben saw this like glass. What does it say? Bad My Minion? I don't even know what it says. Bad My Minion Bad. yeah, I don't know what it says, but this is a good water bottle for him. I mean, he can pretty much fill a lot of water in here and sip it. I usually don't like getting a bunch of random glassware, but this is by the Zach brand, which is a pretty good company. But I thought this would be perfect for him to drink water out of, so he can get his water in for the summer, or we can take this out on road trips, and he definitely gets a lot of water. But now I'm here to share with you guys the movies I got. So I got a lot of kid movies. Ben just pretty much just helped himself to that, and I'm like, that's fine, because he watches these like crazy. So he ended up getting the Smurfs Smurftastic Journey. Now he does watch Smurfs all the time, the movies, and then I've gotten one more Smurf video that I found at the Dollar Tree a long time ago. So he does watch this, and there is a voodoo code for you to watch it. It does say it expired, but we'll see if it still works to get a free online digital movie. So there's that one. I found The Land Before Time, The Great Valley. I don't know what number this is. I know there's 7. There's 7 or 9 Land Before Time movies, but this is The Great Valley. So this is number 2. Okay, sweet. So this is the second one after the first one, which we have the first one. So I kind of wanted him to get into The Land Before Time because I grew up with that. We got Curious George, Fun with Friends. They had a ton of Curious George. They had tons of this one, but the other ones they had just one of, and I just grabbed them all because he loves watching Curious George, and we've been reading a lot of Curious George to him. So there is 6 episodes of this one for Fun with Friends. Then we also got Garden Discoveries. Now this one was a little loose. I think it just fell out of its case. There's 6 ones in this one also, so Curious George. That's all I buy is Curious George at the Dollar Tree. Then we have another one where it says Curious George takes a vacation and discovers new things. Includes 8 episodes in this one. Then we got Spooky Fun, and there is 6 episodes in this one. And then this one is Egg Hunting, and there's 6 episodes in this one. So for $1, you can't go wrong. He loves Curious George. I've been also trying to get him to read Berenstain Bear books. We just signed up for a summer reading program, so I'm gonna try to get try to read to him every single Berenstain Bear book. And I thought, it'd be kind of cool to read him the books and then watch the videos. So this one has 3 episodes in it. This is Home Run Cubs, Beach Bound, and Bear Country. So had to get him this one. You can't go wrong. And it's 165 minutes. That is awesome for 3 episodes. These are like movies. Cool. And then the last one I thought, now I like finding Blu-rays. I really like finding Blu-rays, especially with the digital copy, because I share my digital copies with my family. Like, they have my account, and so we can all watch movies together. So if somebody buys a movie, they put it in my account, and then we can watch it. But I ended up getting Mike and Dave Need Wedding Dates. Now, this movie wasn't the greatest, but for $1, I'll say I'll take it. Plus, my brothers can watch it when they watch my account, so I thought that'd be kind of cool to get. But yes, I really hit the mother load for movies, and I kind of want to go now to a different Dollar Tree and see if they have any movies, because I love getting movies from the Dollar Tree. But yes, that was what I got. I just wanted to quickly share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree, because I got some really good stuff. I got my I got my Lucky Charms and my movies. You can't go wrong with that. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys another time for a future Dollar Tree video. See you guys later. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.